Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beloved family, today I have a quick one to share with us. Hey, this is our brother travel vlog. He don't hit the nail again. I really want you to check on him on all his social media platform as a traveling vlog if you really want to listen to the end of this video, because I just take a little clip so that you will know or have idea of the latest happening. So do well to check on him on his social media platform at travel vlog and follow him, and you can watch the full video there. Thank you so much, and I'll be right back.
Get off. Oh, I started this video already. To that. To that. Good morning, guys. I'm sorry, I don't even know I started the video already. This morning, I want to say something. We actually have a problem going on in Southeast Nigeria, but we all pretend that everything is all right. Everything is not all right. Simon Ekpa have been accused of committing crime in Southeast Nigeria. Simon Ekpa has been saying, I don't commit crime by killing our people in southern east of Nigeria, but people still don't believe. First of all, I want to apologize to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I want to apologize to Federal Republic of Nigeria. If no any Igbo man apologize to them, I am apologizing to the Federal Republic of Nigeria right now. The reason why am I apologizing to the Federal Republic is because of what I'm about to say now. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been held in Abuja, not because they don't want to leave him. It's because of our governors, our senators, and our Ohaneze and Igbo. The leaders in Southeast, they don't want development. Our Southeasterner is the problem of Nigeria. Last week, I made a video, I said, the problem of Nigeria lies in the hand of the Southeasterners, Igbo politicians. The reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still there is because of the Igbo politicians who could not voice out to release their own brother in dungeon. Why the Fulanis are releasing their kidnappers, their terrorists, they bring them back to the society, start paying them money, and your own brother who is fighting for the betterment of our children tomorrow is in dungeon. Make I tell you now, I've said this and I've said it many times. You may not like what the people are doing today. You are smiling, everything is all right. Your children may not smile tomorrow. You see, all these leaders, all these senators, all the governors, all the Ohaneze and Igbo, you know, they think everything is all right today. We have to manage the way Nigeria is going on. It doesn't really matter. As long as you are securing the future of your own children, everything is all right. You are smiling today. If you're not here tomorrow, are your children and children going to smile? That is a question mark. As I speak to you, all of them is Abuja. So Igbo land is not good for development. Biafra land is not good for development. Is that what you're telling me? Southeast is not good for development. Can't we have international airport in Calabar? Can't we have international airport in Port Harcourt? Can't we have international airport in Imo State? Can't we have international airport in Anambra State? These are the questions I'm asking you. The governors, they have house in Abuja. Ohaneze and Igbo, they have houses in Abuja. The senators, they have houses in Abuja. What about us? Can't we develop our own state? How many Fulani have houses in Southeast? Not even those that have, those that are controlling your resources, those that are sitting in your mineral resources in Southeast. None of them sleep in the Southeast and wake up in Southeast. Helicopter. From Abuja, helicopter, they go there, they sign papers, and helicopter will bring them back to Abuja. Let me play this video. Let me play this voice note before we go on. Listen.
They now pay money for the Fulanese to come to our land to kill our people. And these fools are not seeing this. Listen to the video. Let me turn it so you will see him. Because there's a good if you listen, make you know the man where they talk. That's only one about our since Abanawo. And the Lumina the North, they were 10 million naira. My nurse said that ego man there was 6 million. The more the next 10 million that will also come up, I get you know, maybe they take 40% of the money and remit 60% of the money. By the time Ekerega 2-3 times, that's their money for this ego motor and they completely retrieved. But for now, for now, because there were so many things any the ego for for now. The area of Indanwana, I can need the motor, I can need at least motor now, also Siena now, but Tiri, anonymous near any the reforms. Where any maybe pocket Hageji, where or whatever. The place for their. Now they have finished, concluded making the arrangement that the northerners, the Fulanese, when they come, where they will be sleeping, how they will be sleeping, the money, they need more vehicles. They need more vehicles. They need bucket. They need. But I tell you the truth, that is their end. You cannot come into the land of Biafra and kill Biafra. Even you, where they plan them, this man where they plan them, God of Biafra go commot you.
You see, this is what is going on, guys. They went into the secret. This video, this message was leaked. They went to recruit. Only God knows who they are recruiting in the north. They say, on this voice note, you are going to hear more because they are speaking Igbo. He say, our northern brothers, they are going to do this. They are negotiating on putting money and bringing people from north to come and be killing people. There is another voice note where one of them said, this thing, what will they do? All these our brothers, where did they kill? Now people, where would they recruit? They kill them all. I hope, you see, let me tell you guys, education is not civilization. When you see people come to speak English on social media, doesn't mean that they are civilized. You see these governors, these Ohaneze and Igbo, these senators, they are going to be pointing fingers on Simon Ekpa, Simon Ekpa, Simon Ekpa, Simon Ekpa. Everything happening there in Southeast, the killing is not the agitators. How can someone who wants to save the masses be pointing guns on people and putting them down? That is a question. It's a question mark. Some people will come and say, oh, Simon is working for the government. Oh, no. Simon is working, is actually destroying the movement. I want to go ahead with this video.
God of Biafra go carry you come out. You cannot think to come and kill innocent Biafrans for nothing, for no reason. People that have done nothing to you.
Ask them, who are they recruiting Fulani to come? Who are they recruiting to come there in Southeast and fight their fight? Meanwhile, you will never see the Fulani coming to look for your help, to fight their own brothers. What is wrong with us? We don't have to do this. Okay. Let's accept that there's a problem in Southeast. I accept. There's also problem in the north. The kidnapping, killing, and all these things that are happening all over. Let's agree the northerners have their own problem. We have our own problem. Why are we going to the north and beg the north to come and destroy our own future? Why are we begging them to come and destroy the future of tomorrow? Why are the northerners not giving us money to come and help them fight their fights? But they are going to tell you, don't fight our brothers. No, you don't have to do that. Remember,
people that have done nothing to you, they have done nothing to you. So,
אפיקומן בראש השנה?
עוד פעם אתם עם הקטע של פסח ואפיקומן בראש השנה? מה יהיה?
מה אני אכריע לאכול בראש השנה?
את האוכל של אמא, את החרוסת של סבתא. לא, זה בפסח. אני צריך לחשוב.
עם מי? במשפחה שלי.
come on. I'm sorry, I don't know if I want to be sure.
$10 million naira.
Can you hear me?
Something million. The more the next 10 million that will also come up, maybe they take 40% of the money and remit 60% of the money. By the time Ekerega 2-3 times, that's their money for this ego motor and one. They completely retrieved. But for now, for now, because there were so many things each ego will remember for now. The area of Ndanwana Biano, I can need the motor, I can need at least motor now, also Siena now, Tiri, and animals near any reforms Hageji were any maybe bucket Hageji, where Nasaro or Anis or whatever. The place for the provision when they came. I'm about to one or two touches again it. So we need cash now. So if they withdraw that about 17 million naira at once, okay, the most I can. So Mario Madanine, especially Umuna in the north, where this understanding and Umuna in those everybody were understanding for that.
Did you hear that word? Umunai in the north, means our brothers in the north, they should understand. They are the one they are recruiting to go. Let me tell you something, guys. Don't be angry with me. I'm going to give you an example of what they are doing is wrong. You are recruiting somebody who don't like you to go and help you beat your children. They are going to definitely kill your children. And I'm going to give you an example. If I ask my neighbor who is jealous of me and say, please help me to punish my child, your neighbor is going to end up crippling your child because that's your neighbor. Don't you understand? Since 1914, there's no love. We were just managing each other. The Fulanis never love you. Igbo people, when are you people going to understand? The Igbo people are the one holding Nigeria. I used to say it's now Yoruba people, not be Yoruba people. We are the one wearing the shoe. And the shoe, we are feeling the pain. This war, where they start, they're not going to finish them. That is the problem they have. They can't finish this war. They cannot finish this war. Where did they start now? This is not, we shouldn't end it like this. Now, when you recruit this kind of people to the north, to the east, they are going to end up, they're going to find small the youth. They're going to find the youth. They are going to be buying anybody and say, oh, now part of them be this. When they see anybody in the night, they go find the person, say, ah, now part of them be this, they throw away them for streets. Say, oh, Oga, we don't find like 3 yesterday. Oh. Igbo, when are you people going to be all right? Or Haneze? Whether not, I don't know, I don't even know these people. Una sure say these people now Igbo people then be? Una brothers were there for prison. More than 3 million Igbo people where they fight for Biafra. They are in prison now. You never stand up one day and say, okay, you are giving the kidnappers a freedom. Can you just give our brothers, our son, our children that are in prison, please release them on the pardon like you release the Boko Harams? I'm going to say this again, and I'm going to say it again. Nigerian government is not the one holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because if you all claim that Nigerian belong to the Igbos, Nigerian belong to the Yorubas, Nigerian belong to the Fulani and Hausa people. Now, those who enter the villages, they enter the city, they will find the whole village and children, mothers, brothers, sisters, they find everybody. They wake up one day and say, oh, we are repentance Boko Haram. We are repentance. Now, they forgive them and bring them back into the society. Now you.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.